Hello everyone, how are you all? I think you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm gonna talk about 9 basic steps which I have followed in my back days to improve my communication in English language. So without further delay, let's dive in. So number 1, learn basic vocabulary and phrases. When we are talking about something, like when we are talking about our regular conversation, so we are not aware which phrase we frequently use, which words we frequently use. So make sure that you will start with common words and simple phrase used in daily life. Make sure that you will learn this all simple phrase and common words which is used by in daily conversation. Number 2, practice pronunciation. As you know that to speak like a native speaker, you must pronunciate words in a right way. When you will pronunciate any words in a right way, your sound would be like a native speaker. So focus on how to correctly pronounce words. Use online tools or app to listen words and repeat it. Number 3, understand basic grammar. As we all know that in a speaking there is a biggest role of grammar. Basic grammar. I'm not going to tell you advanced grammar. Like if a person is talking about any topic and they are using was, were, will, shall, have, has, is, am, are, and you are not able to understand this basic grammar, then how you will understand the other people they are talking about past or they are talking about in future. So make sure that get familiar with basic sentences, basic grammar, basic structure and basic tenses, how to form simple sentences. Number 4, listen and repeat. This is one of the most important steps which I follow a lot in my back days. Guys, what I used to do in my back days, I feel that I just want to watch any kind of entertainment video. I go to the YouTube and search entertainment video in English and I start watching that video in English. Even I'm not able to get their points like what they are talking about, but I still stuck with that just because of I have to improve my English in the future so that one day I will able to speak like them. So watch English video, podcast or song, or try to repeat sentences to improve pronunciation. And number 5, start speaking. Why you are here? Just because of you just wanna speak in English, and you will not try to speak in English, then how you gonna learn this language? Because this is the one of the essential step that you have to follow to learn this language. So being is by speaking a small sentences even if you are alone. For example, describe what you are doing and what you see around yourself. Number 6, expand vocabulary. To talk about any topic in a deep, you must know about vocabulary, because vocabulary is a fuel for improve your English speaking journey. I'm just gonna give you an example of when doesn't a one Don't run without fuel. That's how you will not speak without vocabulary. So, gradually learn new words and use them in your conversation to enhance your skill. Number 7. Think in English. What we are making mistake that we are thinking in Hindi and we are translating that in English. That's why when we come to speak in this language, it takes time. So train your brain to think in English instead of thinking in your native language. Number 8. Be consistent. See, if you are thinking that you will speak this language and you have practiced only for 2 and 5 and 7 days, then you are not going to learn this language at all. Make sure that you be consistent for 3 and 4 months so that you will develop your mind to speak in this language.